Welcome to Fueling Your Success, Mastering Your Diet with Practical Tips for Long-Term Results. Today, we're excited to share invaluable insights to assist you in achieving your health goals and sustaining a nutritious diet for the long haul. To begin, let's delve into the significance of portion control. Instead of drastically reducing your food intake, strive for smaller, balanced meals throughout the day. This approach ensures your body receives essential nutrients while preventing overconsumption. Moving forward, let's emphasize making mindful food choices. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods rich in vital vitamins and minerals to nourish your body effectively. Incorporate a vibrant array of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your meals for sustained energy and optimal health. Moreover, hydration plays a pivotal role in maintaining overall well-being. Adequate water intake regulates metabolism, aids digestion, and optimizes bodily functions. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily while minimizing sugary beverages for enhanced hydration. Embracing meal prep can revolutionize your dietary habits. Dedicate some time each week to plan and prepare your meals in advance. This practice not only saves time but also ensures access to healthy options, reducing the temptation to resort to less nutritious alternatives. While nourishing your body is essential, attuning to its signals is equally crucial. Practice intuitive eating by listening to your hunger cues and stopping when you're satisfied. Cultivating this mindful approach fosters a healthy relationship with food and facilitates dietary balance. Lastly, consistency is key on the journey to a healthier lifestyle. Progress takes time, so remain steadfast in your commitment to your goals. Embrace setbacks as learning opportunities and persevere with determination. Every small step contributes to significant long-term change. Thank you for tuning in to Fueling Your Success, Mastering Your Diet with Practical Tips for Long-Term Results. We trust these practical strategies will inspire positive transformations in your dietary habits. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on optimizing your health and wellness. Take care, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.